When should I hire a real estate attorney? Hey everyone, this is Cheryl Morrison, your local Chicagoland real estate attorney, and I was just recently asked this one, and I think it's actually a fantastic question, so I wanted to share my answer with you. Now, frequently when somebody is buying or selling a home, they really don't think about their real estate attorney until they already have that accepted offer. And then we get retained at that point, which is a perfectly fine way of doing things. But I wanted you to know that you can actually hire an attorney way before that, and there's some benefits to that. So first off, let's talk about the very latest that you should hire a lawyer. You should hire a real estate attorney no later than the day that you have an accepted offer in hand. And here's why. Our local real estate contract, the one that most people use in this area, it provides only 5 days after that date of acceptance for attorneys to approve, disapprove, or make changes to that contract. And whether you're a buyer or seller, there are absolutely things that you want your attorney to be tweaking for you in that language to better protect your interests through this transaction. If you wait too long and that time period passes, you are kind of stuck with the default language, and it makes the transaction riskier for you, regardless of which side you're on. So the absolute latest to hire an attorney is the day that you have that contract in hand. Now, if for some reason some time goes on, still hire us, but you don't want to wait until it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon on that 5th day and not give us a lot of time to talk things over, examine your situation and make the best changes for you. Best case scenario is no later than that day that the contract is accepted. And if at all possible, definitely before that 5 days runs. If there's a problem beyond that, of course, we're always still here, but our options are limited the longer it goes. All right, so that being said, when's the earliest that you can hire us? And it's a great question. The earlier that you hire a real estate attorney, the more that we can do for you. So if you are selling your home, your realtor is going to have you fill out a listing agreement with them. They're also going to have you fill out disclosure forms that are disclosing all the sorts of things with your home about its condition, and there's a lot of liability there for sellers. If there are any questions whatsoever, if you hire us early in the process, we can help you through those. Walk you through that paperwork and make sure that you're filling everything out correctly to limit your liability. If you're buying, likewise, your realtor might also have you fill out an exclusive buyer's representation form. And if you're hiring us early, we can walk through that with you as well to make sure that you understand exactly what's in that form and your rights and responsibilities, as well as your realtor's rights and responsibilities as well, so that everybody's on the same page. And then we can also help you with just general logistics along the way to getting that accepted offer. And then we'll pick up with everything else. Now, in my office, I am always happy to have people hire me sooner rather than later. I think that it's in everybody's best interest, and there's no extra fee for that whatsoever. So it's still the same flat fee cost for your closing, regardless of whether or not you hire me after you have an accepted contract or way before you have an accepted contract. So why not take advantage of that extra time and advice and hire an attorney more quickly in your transaction. So I hope that that's been helpful. If you have any questions about this, absolutely do reach out to me. I'd be happy to talk through things with you. And if you thought this was a great video, please give it a like, share it with anyone else who might be curious to get this information as well, and then do subscribe so that you can continue seeing my videos. Thanks everyone. Bye.